In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your Substack followers. Whether you're a seasoned newsletter creator or just starting out, keeping track of who is following your content can be quite valuable. Let me guide you through the process step by step. To begin, make your way over to your Substack homepage. This is your launching pad for all things Substack, so get comfortable navigating it. Once you're there, you'll want to turn your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll notice your profile picture there. Go ahead and give it a click. Next, from the drop down menu, you'll need to select View Profile. This page houses all your key stats and details about your Substack presence. Here you can see an overview of your profile activities and statistics, which helps you manage and grow your subscriber base effectively. After selecting View Profile, you should see a small summary displaying the number of subscribers you have. You might see something like 7 subscribers. Now that's just an example figure, your numbers may vary. It's specific to your profile and shows off the immediate support your content has attracted. Now simply click on that number to get a deeper insight. This will direct you to further details about your subscribers. You'll find 2 main tabs here, Followers and Following. To specifically view your followers, choose the Followers tab. This section lists everyone who has chosen to follow your Substack, giving you an idea of who's interested in your content and potentially engaging with you further. You also have the Following tab. This tab is equally informative. It reveals the Substack profiles you are currently following. Having a healthy mix of followers and people you follow can enrich your Substack experience as it expands your network and opens up new content ideas and inspiration. When you're done exploring your follower details, or you simply wish to see other profiles, head back to your Substack home. Here you have the option to click on any Substack profile of interest. Once you're on another profile, you're able to view their followers as well as who they are following. This can be handy for discovering new content creators and growing your own Substack community. And there you have it, a simple guide to navigating your Substack followers. It's a feature that not only allows you to track the growth of your audience, but also helps in engaging with them effectively. Understanding your follower base is a key component of building a successful Substack profile, and now you're equipped to do just that. Happy Substacking!